can't talk. Hello my loves, welcome to So Aldo. On today's video, I am going to be doing a shopping haul video. So I haven't done a video like this in forever, so I thought I would do one just because I had been buying stuff online and in the store. So I went to Burlington, Ross, and Gabe, and I also ordered some from JCrew.com. So this is a collective haul. I didn't purchase this all at once, and plus they are all bargains. You will be surprised. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I got some t-shirts from JCrew when they were having online sale. I think it was like 60% off. I purchased quite a few. The first item is this t-shirt. I really like it. It's like a good quality t-shirt. I love t-shirts from JCrew. I think they are good quality and they do last a long time. I'm going to be using it for layering just because it is super tight. I look like a sausage when I wear this. By the way, all the stuff from JCrew are all the same, just in different colors. So this one is a little big. So this one is small, and look at the size difference. Just to compare, the small is about 1 inch bigger than the extra small. So I got this one in just like a pale pink color. It's gonna go really well with my outfit today because I'm wearing my vintage skirt that has that color as well. I like this color. I think it looks so refreshing. So I got one, and yeah. And I'm just gonna make this really quickly just because I have quite a few stuff here. And this is the other one. It's almost like a lilac color. I like it. So yeah, so this is, original price was $24.50, but I got it on sale and they were only like $6.95. So it was such a bargain. So I got 4 of these t-shirts. I also got a pair of shoes. They're very comfortable. I got it in size 5.5, which is my size. It is true to the size. It fits really nice to have a pair of this that's stylish, and look, it looks like a Chanel shoes. That's why I actually got it. I think I got it for $30. So the next item that I am going to show you are another pair of shoes. So I went to Gabe yesterday and I got these shoes, black shoes. They are a little high. Yeah, but the truth is I am just going to use it for my blog. I won't be able to wear this in real life just because they are just so tall, and I don't think I can walk in these without looking like a goofball. So I am just going to use it for pictures, you know, just for my YouTube pictures and Instagram photos. But I think they're such a good deal. They're from the brand Maurice's, and it was only $7.99. If you don't know what Gabe is, it is basically just like TJ Maxx, but they have much more bargain. You will find inexpensive clothing items there because they are liquidation store just like TJ Maxx and Burlington. So I found these and I'm so happy because I really like the toes. It makes me look taller. So that's that. So the next items that I'm going to show you are from Burlington. So 2 weeks ago, my family and I went to Burlington and I grabbed a lot of stuff, mostly children's clothing, because they were having a 50% off. So that's when they just newly opened the store after the lockdown and the quarantine. So everything in the store was 50% off. I'm not sure if it's all the same in all of the Burlington stores. So if you want to find some good deals, go ahead and check out Burlington. So in my area, it was 50% off, like the whole entire store. So anyway, so this is what I got. I really like it. This was size 14 at the children's section and it fits me really good. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. And because it is in the children's section, it's a lot cheaper. So it was only $6.99. Next one from Burlington. is this top, like a denim or like a chambray top. I really like the scallop detail on the hemline and on the shoulder, and this was $4.99. Items that I got from Burlington are these shoes from the brand Nine West, and original price was $24.99, but because of the 50% off, it was only $12. And I love Nine West shoes. They're good quality and very comfortable, so that was a steal, and I absolutely love the color because you know me, I love blue. Okay, I'm back. My camera died and I have to charge it really quickly. So anyway, the last items that I'm going to show you are from Ross. So these items are collective just because I bought it, like some of them I bought last week and then some of them I bought just yesterday. So I have a big bag of clothing items here. So the first things I'm going to show you are these shoes. Very wearable. It's not so high like the black ones that I showed you, so this one I can really wear in real life. So yeah, I'm super excited about these, and these were only $8.99. And the next item I'm gonna show you is this pretty dress. I know this is a spaghetti strap dress. I'm not into this type of style, but when I tried it on, it was actually very flattering. It's very comfortable, and I can easily attach this top here. I really did a tutorial on how to permanently attach a sleeve on a garment, so I'm going to do exactly that, or I might just leave it like this. So we will see. This was only $7.49, so that was a good deal. Next items are Maxi Dresses. You guys, this is such a bargain for $11.99, so basically $12, and it has a gingham print. I absolutely love it. It is very lightweight, which is awesome, and guys, it has pockets. Original price of this was $129, by the way. It says there on the tag $129, and I got it for $12, so that was a steal. I actually have a similar dress to this, but it was a smaller scale of gingham print. So this one is, and that one was black and white, this one is blue and white. So I really like it. This is actually floor length. I kind of like it, but I don't know if I really want it like that. I can always hem it. There are buttons on the front, and then there's a belt on the, I mean, you can't really see what I'm showing here. Another one is the same style but different print. I'm not so sure about this one though. Yeah, I will try it on for you guys later so you can see what is this massive dress is all about, but it is really nice. Also $11.99, so that was a steal, and I'm super pleased about that. So yeah, these are all the items that I purchased since the beginning of May and yesterday. So I am so happy that I got some new clothes just because I am refreshing my wardrobe a little bit. I am going to be doing a try on for you guys. If you want to see what these items look like when I put them together, stay tuned. That's it, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul video. I apologize if this video is so long. Wait, thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoy this type of video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I will know that you like shopping haul videos in my channel. Also thinking of making a like basic closet staples. So if you want me to do that, Be sure to leave a comment down below, let me know so I can do that. If you'd like to support me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you in the next one. Bye!